Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with the findings of a study on children working and living on the streets of Jamaica. It points to consumption poverty as the obvious push factor for child labor. Now, details of the Child Protection and Family Aid Services Agency Commission study were outlined at a press briefing today. Codian Barrett reports.
The highest proportion of children living and working on the streets in Jamaica is between the ages 12 to 13 years. That finding from the Street and Working Children Research Study report commissioned by the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, with the technical assistance from Winrock International. According to the Principal Director at the Institute for Applied Social Research, Dr. Joy Brown, the study was conducted between 2018 and 2019 across 9 parishes. It revealed that children who work on the streets did so primarily for quick monetary gains.
The large majority said that they work on the streets because their family needs the money to survive. It was not because the parents cannot take care, but because the family needs the money to survive. And so the children chip in.
The study also discovered that 80% of the children did not run away from home, were not being abused or forced to work. Rather, the funds are used to support themselves in school and boost family income in order to survive. While hustling is preferred to going to school, the majority attended. However, Fridays saw the lowest turnout.
Many parents withdraw their children on Fridays, as this is a day for preparation for market and other activities. The survey was administered during the school term and outside of the school term. And so some children said that they did not attend because school was not in session. But 29% stated that they did not attend school. On the days they did not attend, it was because they did not have the funds needed to purchase books, lunches, or school clothes.
The report also revealed that child labor was not linked to homelessness. Only 5% of children slept on the streets, while 94% returned home. Of that 5%, 15 were boys, and the remainder girls, who reported feeling unsafe sleeping on the streets. Places where children regularly slept.
In the stalls, that is, in the market stalls. One said, I stay with a youth on a step. When my mother gambles and bleaches, that means that she stays out all night. I lay down on a table so that I'm not alone at home. On a shop plaza, in a car, on the roadside by the market, in a truck on the open road. One said in Sam Sharp Square, another at a gas station.
The agency is now looking at implementing programs to target children and parents, but first, a positive parenting campaign.
The essence of this campaign is to achieve behavior change. If we can help our parents to become more effective in their parenting styles and empowering them with the means to provide for the needs of their families, then children will not need to focus on monetary gains instead of educational gains.
Part of the program will also target children to show street life as unattractive to deter them from the practice. That public education campaign is expected to be launched this year. Codian Barrett, TVJ News.